Okay. Okay. Two hands. Two hands. Two hands. Keep going. Don't put your head right there. You'll hit your head. Keep going. A little more.
It's in, Macy.
Good job.
My turn.
Okay. You want to do the next one?
Yeah, we're done. Oh, yeah, the next
Here, you want to hold the nail for me?
Yeah.
We can record that and it'll look awesome on YouTube if I smash your fingers. We'll go viral. Okay, hold that like that. Can you hold that like that?
Yeah. Like that?
Yeah. Just pinch it down a little lower. Hold it straight up. Make sure it's in that little hole. You see that little hole? Okay. Is it in the hole? Okay.
What's on that? What's on there? What's on this?
Okay, did I get you? No, you just pretended like I got you?
Yeah.
Here, let me scoot you a little closer so you don't fall off. Okay. There you go. Okay, do it to her. Oh, Macy, get your fingers out of there.
That's my turn.
Good job. Okay, we're done.
Yes.
Okay, don't throw the hammer.